So much fun to watch those gymnasts, John. It's one of my favorite part of the Olympics. And today, one of our favorite days of weather in a long time, I would say, because it's gorgeous out there.
Yeah, it really is a gorgeous start to the afternoon. Really going to see a lot of clear skies, some cloud cover, however. We're seeing clear skies pretty much in Marshalltown, Algona, West Des Moines Skycam. Right now, a little bit more cloud cover from our Lamoni Skycam in the southern portion of the state, but we are going to be looking at a little bit more clouds building in. I'll show you where in just a moment, but right now, hanging out around 82 degrees in Des Moines. The breeze starting to pick up still. We'll have that northwest wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour. 79 in Iowa Falls, 77 in Algona, around 81 in Lamoni. Further to the winds, that breeze, again, it's going to stay with us until about 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock or so. We'll see around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and then it'll still feel pretty nice outdoors because that north wind, it's not going to allow that humidity to climb. It's going to slowly decline. It's still going to feel sticky in the afternoons, though. As far as the satellite and radar showing the cloud cover, mainly for the eastern portion of the state. Notice it's starting to kind of reinvigorate this cloud cover as we zoom out. The system is still nearby, so that's why we're still dealing with clouds. Some light rainfall in parts of southern Minnesota, but we're not seeing any of that yet for us. Parts of northern Iowa could get away with a little bit more of those isolated showers, but here in central Iowa, we're going to stay mostly sunny to partly cloudy at worst. And then as we get into this evening and overnight, this system really pushes out. We're not going to be able to see any cloud cover as we go throughout Friday. High pressure is going to be dominant, and we're going to be staying clear practically the entire day. It's going to be difficult to see any clouds as we go throughout our Friday. No rain chances. And then once we get into Saturday morning, looks like some clouds are going to try to move back in. But as far as today goes, you can enjoy those mid to low 80s, even seeing upper 70s in parts of northern Iowa. It's a little less humid, a little cooler the further north you go. We're close to those upper 80s, near 90 degrees to the southwest. We're going to be right in the middle of there, most of us hanging out in those mid 90s. Now for tonight, the forecast is going to call for those 60s to return, even mid to low 60s in some spots. The further north you go, that's where you're going to be dealing again, lower humidity, a little bit cooler, but it's still going to be fairly comfortable as we start off the last day of the work week, starting off August. Really, really nice. As we look at the 8-day forecast, Friday highs going to be warmer, upper 80s, near 90 degrees for the highs, and we stick with that as we go into Saturday, still right around 90 degrees. And then for Sunday, it's going to be the hottest day of the weekend, but still fairly comfortable. We're not going to get the triple-digit heat index on Sunday. So your hinterland forecast Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, just bring that hat, stay hydrated, sunscreen up. You will need that, that is for sure. And any type of pool activities you have planned for this weekend, the same story. As next week comes in, we're talking about the fair weather. Well, it's looking fantastic. Highs back in the mid and even low 80s once we get to the end of next week with morning lows in the 60s.